If the first half of the year has flown by for you and you still feel like you're behind, same, don't worry, I got you, because in this video I have put together a whole 6-month plan, including a 12-week year. If you're like me and you're not too keen on using Notion and those kind of apps, this will be perfect for you because all you need is the Notes app in your phone or even pen and paper. If you make goals for the whole year or half a year, you kind of slap because you know, okay, if I didn't do it this month, I still have 5 more months to get it done, so I'll just put it off. Whereas the 12-week year, which is a book that I read years ago, in this book it basically teaches you how to get your year of goals done in just 12 weeks. Here's exactly how I did it. So you're going to grab your Notes app in your phone or a pen and paper. You're going to think about what your goals were for this year and then break down what you want your goals to be for the next 6 months. If you're not sure on how to do this, definitely check out this video, which breaks down my mid-year reset and how I set goals for the last half of the year. I'd say just focus on 2 or 3 goals for this period so you can really get laser focused on just a few things that need to get done. So you want to write down those 3 goals on the top of the piece of paper or on the top of your notes. For me, my 3 are: get a closer relationship to God, increase my income, especially focus on these 12 weeks. I want to focus just on increasing my YouTube income. And then the third one is I want to relaunch Oso Curly. It's already running, but I want to relaunch with a new collection. Those are my 3 focuses. Now it's time to break those down. So I like to also include visuals as well. For example, here I have the YouTube play button. 100k subscribers is my ultimate YouTube goal. I'm gonna aim high and just see where it takes me. The next one for getting a closer relationship with God is just this picture of worship while you wait, and that's going to help to remind me to just be worshiping while I wait. Last one is a photo of a girl boss with lots of packages who is sending out a lot of orders, because that is what I hope to do when I relaunch. So those visuals are going to be great to include in your notes or print them out to put on your piece of paper, just so you can actually see and visualize it and try and imagine yourself in that position. I've also put the date that this 12-week year is going to finish, and then I've also put a link to a video that I found, which is like a Christian daily visualization. I really liked it. I'll leave it down below because it includes scripture as well. And now here is where we have a plan, because you can have your goals, but we need to put a plan together. I want to break down your goals. So I have for my YouTube goal number 1, and you can actually create highlights within your Notes app on your phone, and you can choose different colors. I've gone with the purple and made goal number 1 YouTube. To gain £1,000 in revenue from YouTube AdSense is going to take more videos being posted. That's going to take videos that have really good keywords that are going to be most likely to go viral or gain a lot of views, building more of a community and getting engagement up, increasing my retention rate, improving my thumbnails. So these are all things that I have put down here in my YouTube goal. And I've also included using ChatGPT and tools, SEO tools, to kind of help me create better titles and video ideas. These are like non-negotiable. I have to try and post at least 2 long form videos a week and 1 YouTube short a week to get to my goal. I also actually use ChatGPT in order to figure out how I can actually get from A to B for the goal of gaining £1,000 in revenue from YouTube. At the moment, I'm in the under £500 from YouTube, so I need to like more than double my YouTube income. So I put that into ChatGPT. I told it where I am at now, where I aim to be, and I asked it, what do I need to do within a 12-week period to get to my goal? And it basically told me similar things that are on this list, and then I catered it to myself and what I know I can possibly do to get there. I have my 3 goals and I have exactly what needs to be done for each goal. Now we want to break it down into a tracker for your 12-week period. You don't want to just look at that and think, yeah, I'll get it done and tick it off when it's done. No, this is a daily thing, a weekly thing that we need to tick off and track. I have created a tick list for the next 12 weeks. So every week I'm going to go back into this note on my phone. Every single week you are going to tick off. And let me tell you from past experience, when I've done a 12-week year before, that tracker is going to keep you in check, because when it comes to the end of the week and you've only ticked off a few and you see how many other empty tick spaces you have, you are going to ramp it up for the next week. And that's what really helps during this 12-week period for you to really achieve something by the end of it. If you're someone like me that has a million different notes notes in your notes app, you may want to create a reminder on your phone, like an alarm or a reminder in your calendar, to check the tracker and tick things off. This isn't something you're going to do once and not look at it. We're going to make sure that we are looking at this weekly. And that's simply it. It is really simple and boring. As you can see, the tasks are very repetitive. They're really basic, but these things are going to add up and compound, as they say. By the end of the 12-week year, I should see some kind of change, even if it's just one small thing that has changed. There's definitely going to be progress, and this is new habits that I'm building up and I'm strengthening by just repeating them and repeating them. And I can't wait to share with you guys how things go by the end of the 12-week year. So the truth is, mid-year, this is when people usually give up, but me and you, we're not giving up, okay? This is how we're going to revamp and refresh this mid-year, and we are going to end the year strong. Let's start with this 12-week year and reevaluate where we are by the end of the 12 weeks. Let me know down below in the comments what your goals are for the end of this 12-week year. I'll leave a link to the book down below if you want to read it further, but there are loads of videos on YouTube that basically simply break down the whole book. And to end this video, I just want to encourage you guys that, you know, we can do this. If there is something that you feel like you've been pulled to do, or a goal that you've had for years and years and years and you keep putting it off, now is the time. We do not have time. Like, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, unfortunately. Okay, so act now. Use the life that you have. You woke up this morning. We are blessed to be alive. Now it's time to really just live up to your full potential. I hope this video motivated you and was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Help me get to that 100k goal, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.